Ever tried listening to music on a noisy plane? Or struggled to focus in a bustling cafe? I used to crank up the volume just to hear details. But it never really worked, just more noise, less clarity. And after an hour, my ears would ache from uncomfortable headphones. Honestly, I thought high-fidelity sound was impossible on the go. That was before I discovered the Focal Bathys headphones. Get the price on Amazon with the link in the description. These are not your average wireless headphones. First off, the sound is absolutely next level. Bathys uses premium aluminum-magnesium speaker drivers. Made in France, these drivers deliver pure, detailed audio. Every note feels crisp, every beat hits with precision. You'll hear layers in your music you never noticed before. And the active noise canceling? It's unreal. Flip it on and the world just melts away. No more engine hum, no chatter, just your music. Need to hear what's around you? Switch to transparency mode. It's perfect for catching announcements or quick chats. The design is pure luxury, real leather and microfiber headband. Soft, refined, and honestly, super comfortable. The earpads fit any head shape and insulate perfectly. Even after hours, there's no pressure or discomfort. And if you ever need to replace the pads, super easy. I love the magnesium and aluminum construction. It feels sturdy, but it's surprisingly lightweight. So whether I'm working or traveling, they're never a burden. Connectivity is seamless, Bluetooth, USB-C, or 3.5mm jack. No matter your device, you're covered. And the battery life? Over 30 hours with noise canceling on. That's more than enough for even the longest flights. Forgot to charge? A 15-minute boost gives 5 extra hours. The backlit logo is a nice touch. It lights up when you wear them. Let me show you how I use them during my day. Morning commute, I slip them on, hit play, and zone out. In the office, they block distractions so I can focus. Traveling, they turn airplane cabins into private concert halls. At home, I relax with my favorite playlists in total comfort. Switching between noise canceling and transparency is effortless. No fiddling, just a quick tap and you're set. Calls come in clear and switching devices is seamless. I can go from laptop to phone without missing a beat. And the sound quality never drops, no matter the source. Even after hours of use, my ears still feel fresh. The comfort is honestly unmatched. I never realized headphones could feel this good. And they look amazing, sleek, modern, and premium. People always ask what headphones I'm wearing. If you're an audiophile, you'll love the detail and clarity. If you travel a lot, the noise canceling is a game changer. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the build and features. But honestly, anyone who loves music will notice the difference. They're more than just headphones. They're an experience. No more settling for average sound or comfort. No more interruptions or distractions. Just pure, immersive audio wherever you go. And with over 30 hours of battery, you're always ready. Charging is quick and connectivity is flexible. The replaceable pads mean these will last for years. And the premium materials make every listen feel special. If you care about sound, comfort, and style, Bathys delivers. I honestly can't imagine going back to regular headphones. They've changed how I listen to music, travel, and work. Ready to upgrade your listening experience? Check out the Focal Bathys headphones for yourself. Treat your ears to high-fidelity sound anywhere. Enjoy the silence or let the world in, your choice. Experience luxury, comfort, and performance in one. Don't settle for less. Your music deserves the best. Click the link in the description to learn more or grab yours today. Trust me, your ears will thank you.